Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make something like this that's really pretty cool. I like it. But they sent me this file and they grouped it together like they should. And then they take the Smart Fill tool and it actually did it to me. So I understand the problem now, but I've got a solution. So I'm going to fill in these. So all they did was take some curvy lines and made it look really good, like a star. And then they nudge these out of the way. And they take this and they left click, right click. Now they go and group them together. And then go to effects and contour. Contour one time, and I've made them red, so I'm going to contour in black. And this is the problem. It did not contour that one. It did partially, but it did not go up here. And when I just tried that, it did it here too. So my solution to this is I think he's, basically putting the boxes on top of the boxes. So let's set our nudge factor on like 20. And let's fill in these boxes, but then nudge them over individually. I don't know why that would make a difference, but it did. And we'll see here in just a second. All I'm doing is clicking on the Smart Fill tool and hitting the left arrow key. Now I'm going to go and left click, right click in red because I'm contouring them in black. But then I'm going to go to Object and Group, and then I'm going to go Apply on the Contour tool. And see, now they're all contoured. So then all you have to do is go to, I don't know why that's doing it. I broke the contour apart. So now I can take the original contour and I have this. And then all I have to do is make them blue. I'm going to go to Object, Group, and ungroup them. And I'm going to give it that look. You can do a lot with, I don't know what he just asked for this, but I took it the next step, as I always do. Whoop. Grab on that one. I had them all grabbed. So not grab it, but select it. And then I'm just going to take and put black down there. And then I took the attribute eyedropper, which copies anything you've done that's like this. So I'm going to take a sample, and then I'm just going to fill that attribute into each one of these squares. Now, I do not know why moving them over made a difference, but I'm thinking it has something to do with the Smart Fill tool is overfilling. So I'm going to Control G and group it. I'm going to put in a black box and go Object, Order, back a page. And that's a pretty cool logo or design. You know what? They both look almost exactly the same that I did earlier. Let's compare them side by side. Trying to group that. I know the shape will be the same because I'm using his shape. I just want to know if my color almost, well, they are identical. Anyway, I know it helped him because we've already talked, email, but I don't know why. I might try later reproducing these lines and see if he did something wrong, but I can't see it. Anyway, I hope that helped them and somebody in the future. Thank you for watching.